right, spring is just around the corner. Are you going to get in there and clean all those dirty spots in your house? Alicia Sokolowski is with us from AspenClean. Welcome to the show this morning.
Thank you.
Are you especially busy at this time of year?
We started AspenClean 20 years ago when our kids were small. We've always tried to live a healthy lifestyle. We loved the outdoors, chose organic food wherever possible, but weren't paying much attention to what we were cleaning our house with until the kids were born. That's when we started the research, looking for an eco-friendly way to clean our home, but quickly realized there was no such thing on the market. There were cleaning companies, but no real eco-friendly cleaning company that could clean well. That's how we invented the first eco-cleaning company that was green and cleaned well. We started with the cleaning service while developing the products that could be fully transparent, healthy, and effective, keeping in mind that it's the cleaning service professionals who are most impacted by the harmful ingredients in the traditional cleaning products. And AspenClean was born.
We also tended to be as natural as possible, meaning we wanted the products to be derived from plant-based ingredients. Very often in the industry it's the other way around. First is cost, then effectiveness, and the last is the toxicity consideration. We flipped the equation around and made the toxicity our number one priority.
Well, everything that we use is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. What it means that all the ingredients that are in those products are non-toxic and they're not hazardous to human health nor the environment.
Okay, so why do you like to use those?
We want you to feel comfortable using our products, knowing that 20 years of research went into making them.